So how do you screen capture on your Android device? Simply open your control menu, then probably you can see this icon. So if you don't see, then press on this pen icon. You want to optimize your top or full. I want to add full. Then find the capture icon. Here is it is. Now it's added to my top menu. Now press on down. Now go back again, open your control center. Now press and hold, and from here you can customize your format or save original screenshot or lot of feature actually. Video quality HD, so 4K is not available now, and media and mic, so all done. Go back. Now just on tap, then you can see the media and mic. I am selecting the media and mic. Press on start recording, and it's now capture my skin. So if you want, then you are able to add cursor as well, so it would be more fun. If you if want, you can drag and drop anything. And another feature is, if you want to set your face on the top, then you also able, you see. Now if you want to stop recording, press on stop. Now your go to your galleries, pictures, then your record is available here. So that's it. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day. If you have any question, feel free to ask in comment section below. Thank you.